As you may already know, the Earth's crust is made of rocks. If you look closely at a rock, you will see that there are many different bits. Some bits are dull, whereas other bits are rather shiny. The main idea here is that all these components occur naturally. In other words, they are not made in a factory or by a human being. A naturally occurring element or compound is known as a mineral. Ore is simply a rock containing a high percentage of a certain mineral. For example, hematite contains a high percentage of iron. The extraction of iron from hematite is done in a blast furnace. Malachite contains a high percentage of copper. Cinnabar contains a high percentage of mercury. We can think about an ore a bit like a chocolate chip cookie. We really want the chocolate. If there are more chocolate chips in the cookie, then the extraction process would be more economically beneficial. As more minerals, in this case, the chocolate can be obtained. If there are fewer chocolate chips, then the extraction process may not be as economically beneficial. For the most part, the minerals are oxides, carbonates, or sulfides of the metal of interest. Some ores of nonmetals include quartz, which contain a high percentage of silicon in the form of silicon dioxide. Limestone is also an ore. Can you remember what is found in a high percentage in limestone? Pause, think, and continue when ready. The answer is calcium carbonate. Limestone contains a high percentage of calcium, but calcium exists as calcium carbonate. The iron in hematite is mostly iron 3 oxide. The copper in malachite is mostly copper 2 carbonate. The mercury in cinnabar is primarily found as mercury 2 sulfide. The extraction process for each ore can vary, but the key idea here is that the mineral must be present in a high enough percentage, or else the process would not be very economic.